Hi, and welcome to another game of remote control from the NES. Let's go to Gilligan's Island. To celebrate her own wedding anniversary, Mrs. Howell tried to cook up a romance between two. I think it was that one. Oh, I thought it might have. Don't tell me it's Gilligan and Marianne. Ah, I was gonna go that. Well, your brain must have been swollen and throbbing to pull off that answer. We'll go back to Gilligan's Island. Which of one of the castaways does the professor think is most beautiful? That's easy, it's Marianne. That's why the first question I thought that Mr. Yeah. Gilligan's Island. Who did Gilligan always caddy for? I think it was Mr. Howell, wasn't it? Yes. Alright, go to the next category, number 2, which is Bon Jovi channel. We asked Washington think tank to name the most important figure of the 20th century. They've something about Bon Jovi. If Felix Bon Jovi had been standing next to Columbus where he discovered America, what ship would he have been on sailing? Maybe the Santa Maria? Oh, that was a guess. I didn't actually know. I really didn't. I just guessed. Alright, back to the Bon Jovi channel. If rock idol John Bon Jovi wanted to take a dip in the largest body of water on Earth, what ocean would he visit? I think the Pacific Ocean's the bigger. Yeah. Okay, back to this one. Back to the Bon Jovi channel. If Hunkerific John Bon Jovi wanted to date the largest mammal on Earth, what animal would he call? Be the blue whale. I don't know if Nell Carr will like through that question. Just give me a break. The home shopping zone. Oh boy, here we go again. Near into another dimension in which you'll be losing 10 points, but picking up this valuable prize. What is it this time? Here it is. The legendary Glen Camel hyperventilation bag used by Glenn when he was owned. His wife was once married to Mac Davis. A trick keepsake worthy of enjoyment in the country music hall of fame and all stuff. But that's okay. That just means we're going to the next one, which is the Elvis channel. When Elvis got discovered, he worked for Crown Electronic Company doing what? I believe it was that, driving a truck. Well, actually, because I think I remembered it from the last... The Elvis channel. Elvis was always surrounded by a bunch of homeboys who went by what organized crime inspired nicknames. The Memphis made sense when he was from Memphis. Back to Elvis. Oh no! It's not, we're having a break. Okay, we'll do this one. Back to Elvis. According to the Elvis catalogue, which is more valuable? Teddy bear, perfume, hound dog, orange, lipstick, or a pocket watch? I'm tempted to go with that. No, it wasn't teddy bear, perfume. dog lipstick? Really? You, my friend, are indeed a super genius. No, here we go. This is the classic. Is it a sport? Is it a sham? Who really cares? Well, that's what I'm reading from there. The phrase "speak cloudy and carry a big stick" applies to this lunatic's rest to walk around bumping bad guys with his 2x4. Let's go with that one. Yeah, well, I didn't think Jesse and the Ventura did that. Back to the wrestling channel. What was the name of the infamous mini-interview show hosted by wrestling superstar Rowdy Rod Piper? Piper's Power. Okay. Let's go with this one. No, it's Piper's Pit. Wow. I didn't even know that. No. Lauren's catching up, so I better... Alright, I better get... Who's the hard-headed wrestler who appeared on American Bandstand singing as he grabbed him cake? I'm thinking maybe the Junkyard Dog? The Junkyard Dog? Wow. Because I think that Captain Lou, I think he might have been a part of the Super Mario Brothers show. That's why they go in. Well, and now for a quick commercial break. So we're going to go and play round 2 after this. Okay, I guess we're going 6 feet under. Once these stars were on top of the world, now they're under it. Alright, without her, Lucy would never hatch seen. Mrs. Fred Mercer played by... Vivian Vance. No, because it wasn't Frawley. Because that was William played Fred Mercer, so it wasn't that. Which celebrity died first? John Lennon, Elvis, or Marilyn? That's easy. Marilyn Monroe. She died in the 60s. Elvis died in the 70s. In 1980 was John Lennon. Back to this one. 6 feet under. Captain Binghamton was played by the late and forever Gentle Joe Flynn. And what's... That was McHale's Navy. The Soaps Channel. Hold back tears and answer the question about the daytime melodrama being described. Okay. In Santa Barbara, gorgeous Hunt Cruz Costello was being hunted for murder, but Cruz passed the obstacle to marry a woman who made... hang on. Just trying to remember. Well, I wish we know it's in Capewell. Although I meant to put it in Capewell, but I done goofed. It happens. The days of our lives can be so painful. Tom and Alice Horn have suffered for years. Are they the oldest, youngest, or middlest? gonna go oldest too, but had someone beat me to it, so. How can he be? Is he Freddy and I'm Freddy? So let's try to get hot and get it on. I know that's Power Station. Yeah, I know this one. Well, your brain must... Oh, he goes too fast, so... Alright. Go back to 1. The actress who portrays Rubbishy Melissa on General Hospital is the daughter of which famous monkey? Let's go with that. No, it's not Pete at all. Oh, she must be Mickey Dawson's daughter. Oh, when they knowing that? Well, you know, when you die, you ought to donate your brain to science. Okay, more MTV. Who sang the perky tune, Walking on Sunshine? What's in Bengals are portraying us? I know that because it's weird, because Katrina in the Way is one of the Eurovision contests. 97? 20 years after Sunny and shared a hit with this song, UB40. And that's easy. I got you, babe! Oh, good answer. Did you skip floor school as a kid? No, I did not. Guess we got 2 now. Which is Video High. Where did you 40-year-olds go to school? Video High. And welcome back, Carter. Which one of Mr. Carter's sweethearts was both Puerto Rican and Jewish? Epstein. I don't think we had a Globowski unless that was the latest seasons of Welcome Back Kotter. Definitely wasn't Horseshack. Hanson, Haas, Ikai, and makeup team. Which of them is female? Oh, Haas. Okay, I wouldn't have got that one. Where's Lauren gonna go to? Pretty high again. Okay. What was the title of Welcome Back Kotter season? Was Welcome Back by John Sebastian. Why did everyone love this white hog going home? Somebody be leaving this. Alright, rerun. On Sanford and Son, what really ugly after? Oh, that's easy. Esther! Auntie Em was in The Wizard of Oz. Keep going till the round's over. On Webster, Webster was adopted by a mindless couple named George and Catherine. What was their last name? I think it was Papadopoulos. Wasn't Alex Cash. He was the one who played George in Webster, but wasn't him. On the Beverly Hillbilly, name the bank where the Clampets kept their money. I think it was Commerce Bank. What? Oh, Commerce Bank. Sorry. Okay, I guess good in this one. The Cosby Show. The Cosby Show. The Bill Cosby Show. And the new Bill Cosby Show. Did Bill play a character named? I'm going to go with that one. The Cosby Show was Heath Customer, so I didn't know. I knew that wasn't the The Cosby Show. On The Cosby Show, what instrument did Jasmine Russell Huxtable play? I'll go with the trumpet. No, it wasn't the trumpet. It's either the trombone or the flute. It must have been the trombone. Oh boy. I was thinking of that. Yeah. Well, it looks like Freddy will be going anyway too. Like, I'll see it. Yup, it's that time now. Get away in the game, and frankly, Freddy, you're not exactly. Bye bye, Freddy. Another one bites the dust. And I won the game with 320. Bye, Lauren. That's it for everyone. All those hours in front of the TV have paid off and given you new meaning to your humdrum. Today I'm proud. Big long spiel. I couldn't read it all. We'll see you for another game of Rick Control soon. Bye.